Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can detox your home. I'm gonna give you some really great tips on what to do, what foods to eat, what kind of exercise to do to help you detox your home. This is a 30-day challenge. I want you to try these things out and see how you feel. Alright, first thing, let's talk about food. You have to take all the junk food out of your house, okay? No more chips, cookies, sodas, candy, crackers, cereal, waffles, pancakes, muffins, sodas, juice, alcohol, caffeine. I am telling you, get all that stuff out of your house, and believe me, you will not regret on your decision. I know it's hard, but you gotta do it if you want to feel better. And start eating healthy foods. What are healthy foods? The list of healthy foods is exhaustive. However, I have listed some of them here. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, legumes, whole grains, lean protein like chicken, fish, turkey, tofu, tempeh. Those are all really good sources of protein without all the extra stuff. Now, what you have to do is you have to eat mindfully, because too much of anything is good for nothing. You want to really pay attention to your body and what it's telling you it needs. A lot of times we eat when we are bored, or we are stressed, or we are sad, or we are angry. Try to figure out why you're eating and then find other ways to deal with those emotions. Whether it is journaling or going for a walk or talking to a friend, try not to use food as a coping mechanism. Alright, next thing is to exercise. Exercise is a great way to detox your home because it gets rid of all the toxins that are stored in your body. Toxins are stored in your fat cells. So when you exercise and you sweat, you're literally detoxing your body. You want to do 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. That could be brisk walking, jogging, running, swimming, biking, dancing. It does not necessarily have to be in the gym. You can do it at home. You can do the exercises outdoors too. Just get moving. Go and start doing it. Okay, the next thing is to lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is a silent killer, and a lot of people do not even know they have it. But high blood pressure can cause all sorts of problems down the road, like heart disease and stroke. So what you want to do is you want to lower your blood pressure naturally. And there are a couple of things you can do. One is to cut back on sodium. The other is to increase your potassium. So potassium is a natural diuretic. It helps to eliminate excess salt from the body. So you want to eat foods that are high in potassium, like bananas, avocados, spinach, sweet potatoes, beets. Alright, the next thing is to lower cholesterol. High cholesterol is another risk factor for heart disease. So you want to do everything you can to keep your cholesterol levels low. One way to do this is to cut back on saturated and trans fat. Saturated fats are found in foods like butter, cream, cheese, milk, red meat, processed meat. Trans fats are found in fried foods, baked goods, popcorn. You want to avoid these foods as much as possible. Another thing you can do is to eat more fiber. Fiber helps to bind to cholesterol and prevent its absorption in the body. So eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, beans, whole grains, alright? So those are my top tips on how to detox your home. If you're looking for more information on how to detox your home, please consult a qualified dietitian or a doctor. I will see you next time.